Alright, let's continue down this road. As we were coming along, we just spotted all these sellers, so I thought I'd have a quick look around what they've got for sale. It's lunchtime, that's why they're all coming out. Or some sort of burger.
Hello.
Hello. The amount of fat that's on there. Some sort of eggs, quail eggs I think this is. In India they have something similar, it's called a pronta. Some sort of fried pancake?
Fried cake,
Whoa.
I buy one for you. I buy that one.
What, this one?
You can have to wear.
They always have these nail cutters and stuff. Right, we need
三星的，这多少钱？10块。10块。啊，如果有那个头嘞？
That's a complete pack.
我不要一套，它没有那个接这个头这样的。随便接个。这样多少钱？20。啊，这个一套这样多少钱？这个好。This one and this one together. 你说这样多少钱？20
For together?
Yes.
140.
And this one 35.
That's expensive. Last time I bought one of those for 5.
Yes.
这个是好的，这也是不错的，可以。就这一套就可以。
These are like your.
你说这个多少
10块钱。
10块，这也10块啊。
这没赚你。
How much are the charges?
这个嘞？
这个70。
70.
70. This is like yours, but.
I don't know. Yes.
So that's a USB, so you can charge your.
现在哪种啊？少点给你了。怎样？
Buy?
No, if I want to buy, I'll buy from at night time because they seem to be cheaper at night. Yeah, last time I paid 5 for that USB thing, and now he's charging you how much?
20.
20 for both.
10 and 10.
No, you see, that's what I mean. 10 and 10. It should be 5 and 5. They're all going to be the same price. We're going to cross over here. Let's cross quick before the lights change. Hello, I only want low quality. Let's go have a look at the hats. How much is for the hats? Mind you, they're quite horrible hats though, aren't they? Yeah, no, but just to wear while I don't like the Gucci thing though. Alright. I just want a plain hat to wear while I'm here. Alright, 10 off.